Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram blend not showing. I'll show you 3 ways of how you can fix this problem. Pedro with you, and let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Instagram and make sure that your blend option is not showing. So go to the chats option here in the bottom side of the screen, choose the guy with who you want to have a blend reels, and go to the chat with him. So here in the top side of the screen you will see his name, the call option, the video call option, and etc. And the blend option, it needs to be located just right next to the call option or instead of the call option. As you can see, I do not have this type of option, and if I go here I won't see this option also. If you don't see this option, as I don't see it right now, you need to close the Instagram and first of all go to the App Store on your device. Now go to the search and search for the Instagram. Open Instagram and make sure it is updated, because if it is not, this feature is a new feature, so it may be not available on your old version, and if you update the app the problem may be fixed. So once you updated the app you need to check again, but if the problem still persists, the next solution I have for you is you need to open settings on your device, scroll down and go to general with a little gear icon. Now click on iPhone storage right here and just simply search for the Instagram application in the storage. You can scroll down and find Instagram, or you can just simply type in Instagram in the field above and click on the Instagram, open the Instagram and click on offload app and confirm the action clicking offload app again and reinstall the application from the same screen. Basically by this decision we will delete the cache of the application that will help us to help us with the problem. So basically this is 2 ways of how we can fix this problem. If nothing helped, it basically means that this option is not available in your country, because this option is available in the newest updates and it is not released worldwide. So basically maybe this option is not available in your country and you need to just wait a little bit. And basically that is it. That is how you can fix Instagram blend not showing. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.